Welcome to my channel. This is a quick unboxing and a physical overview of this power adapter. This is from Apple, USB type C 20-watt power adapter. This will do fast charging on iPhones. So that's what they claimed, and I will just show you the box details which they have mentioned here. So this is 20-watt power adapter designed by Apple in California and made in China. So they have just given the basic details, and here if you see there is a USB type C 20-watt power adapter. Again the same basic details, and the address of manufacturing and importer, all those details here. It is compatible with Apple Watch, iPhone and iPad. That's it. This is all about the overview. So now I am going to unbox this one. So let's just have actually I already opened here, so I'm just opening this box. Here is the adapter. So this is type C, and there is a paperwork, so nothing special in this. So they will be giving some details regarding how to use and all, what all the compatible and power things with the multiple languages. So again there is one more paper is there. This is a warranty card. So that's it, nothing more on this. So let's have an overview on this power adapter. So in this paper nothing is there. So here it is a type C, and this is Indian type plug points. So if you see this, they have just mentioned 20 watt and the same detail which they have given in the box they have given here. That's it, nothing more on this. So that's all about the quick unboxing. This charger looks decent. Hopefully they should charge faster. That I will check and update in the comment section. Thank you guys, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Hope you enjoy this video. I'll come up with a new video with MagSafe within this week or the next week beginning, also with the iPhone 12 video. Thank you guys.